Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Look at the creek. I've already did a little test run. It doesn't wash me away. But man, compared to last week, it's flowing. What's that?
Week before.
Week before? I thought it was last weekend when we came out here to test the pipe. Yeah, you're right. That was the week before. I backed down first because, you know, if I had to stop, I need to winch myself out. I don't know how the flow is. But, I mean, look, already just entering it. I'm not going to spin my back tires. You should be all right. But wow, this is creek life, y'all. I was scared to come in this. I mean, look at it.
I was thinking the same. Well, this is what the other creek looked like that one. Well, no, it was a lot worse.
I don't know. I think we could have made it another creek.
But it was thinner. It's a thinner creek, so it doesn't push here more swiftly.
This looks like it's pushing so hard. I mean, look at that.
I know.
I had to let the winch out and swing her around and grab a tree. But usually if it looks really fast, it's a little shallower. Ooh, we got pulling me. This old tree here. Don't try this at home. We are trained professionals. It's pushing me right here, man. All that build up. It doesn't want me to go. Oh, it's yelling at me. It's pushing me back. It's a little slick right there. It wasn't so bad up there. But look at that. Oh, now we're stuck on the tree. Come on, come on. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, look at this. I am not, there's no way
Oh, no.
I'm going in that. You out your damn mind. Let me see if I can get up on this ledge here.
Redneck, not that redneck. There was somebody else out there.
I mean, who on earth is going to be out here with us?
Nobody.
Nobody. Y'all hear that?
Rushing water.
Yeah. We should have brought the canoe. I don't know who would pick us up. We'd get far though. Ooh. Yeah, I don't think we're going much farther. I mean, we might, I'm not even going to risk going past that. No. It looks clean. The underside of the four-wheeler.
Oh, I thought it was water, and I was like,
Oh, no, the water doesn't look clean. This thing's soaked though.
how far up?
Well, I mean, it was raining a lot, so. But yeah. This is Creek Life 7 right here. This is all we can do.
Haven't gone the other way though.
I am not going the other way because that means I'm gonna have to come up back against the current. I'll come up current. That's no problem because I know if it sweeps us away, at least I know how to get out. But this, no. This is as far as I'm going. It's nice though.
Very calming.
Yeah. Any tadpoles that were left are gone.
I think I killed a little frog.
Oh.
Maybe I just stunned it. I didn't hold it tight. It was so cute.
Jen killed a baby frog.
No, I caught the baby frog.
Killed.
Might be okay.
Killed. It was tiny though.
He's so cute.
I mean, it's just a little baby.
It's fine. It's done. It's fine. It's fine.
Oh, we're gonna have to get out of here. Well, it's a short trip.
We haven't visited the mud puddles yet.
Yeah, I'm not gonna visit the mud puddles. That means I'm gonna have to clean it before we go anywhere. So. Nah, I'm gonna kill it. This is it. Try to turn around. Wonder if I should get my butt up this way. Actually, I might be able to go forward and get my butt up over here.
Oh well. Nope. 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 No. I'm hanging on this. I don't want to let go.
It's okay. Let her slide forward a little bit. And go back.
Look at all these cameras.
Yeah, look at those guys. They're like, what's going on? Alright, get back a little bit. Back up. Alright. I think we're ready to roll. We're ready to float. It should just kind of push us. I can save gas.
Where is this depth now coming from? Oh. Very strong. Seems like it's just moving faster than we got.
I wanted to flip my back end around because I want to be heading towards the bank.
That's what you're doing. What about that?
Hey, it's the first time for me too.
Yeah, we can't come out here every week.
Yeah, maybe it won't be so bad. What is that?
I'm not going to sit down.
I'm gonna step down. Looks like it might be like part of a recliner.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like a recliner frame. It kind of looks all nice up there. I just don't want to be down too far downstream, you know?
Yeah, we had somebody else come pull us out. We don't have a backup.
Well, this is water. Once it catches you, you're
I
gone.
know.
Like right here. There we go. Yep. Turn around, don't drown. Live to see another day.
The weatherman